Hello, dear Yoruba language learners. My name is Ikùn Adekoya, and today I'm going to be teaching you a song about body parts. The title of the song that God gave me is Ẹ̀yà ara tí Jésù fi dá mi. It means the body parts that Jesus used to create me. Ẹ̀yà ara tí Jésù fi dá mi. Ẹ̀yà ara means body parts in the Yoruba language. And a fun fact about body parts is that it's also used to make descriptions. Like etí could also mean the edge of something, right? Orí can mean the top of something, like Orí ẹbí is the head of the family. That is why it's important for you to learn the different body parts in the Yoruba language so that you can not only describe your body and other people's bodies, but you can also make descriptions like prepositions in the English language. So let's get started. This is the song and how it goes. I will explain it and I will sing it, and I hope that by the end you can also sing it. Alright, let's get started. Orí, etí, ojú, imú, ẹnu, ọrùn. Èyí ni Jésù fi dá mi. Ó ṣé Jésù. Let's sing that again. Orí, etí, ojú, imú, ẹnu, ọrùn. Èyí ni Jésù fi dá mi. Ó ṣé Jésù. Àyà, apá, ọwọ́, ikùn, ìtan, ẹsẹ̀. Èyí ni Jésù fi dá mi. Ó ṣé Jésù. Àyà, apá, ọwọ́, ikùn, ìtan, ẹsẹ̀. Èyí ni Jésù fi dá mi. Ó ṣé Jésù. So let me break the song down. It says head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, neck. These are the things Jesus used to create me. Thank you, Jesus. Chest, arm, hand, stomach, thighs, feet, and leg. Èyí ni Jésù fi dá mi. Ẹ ṣé Jésù. These are the things Jesus used to create me. Thank you, Jesus. Let me give you the chance to sing it. I will just hum it on the background. let's try that slower. I hope you were able to learn Ẹ̀yà Ara Tí Jésù Fi Dá Mi, this song, and I hope that it helps you to learn the body parts and the prepositions in the Yoruba language. Have a beautiful day.